Howdy doody, and welcome back to the channel. And today you find us in a little hamlet of Cray to see Cray Gill Falls. So you can just see over there, we're going to make our way over there in a minute, but this only appeared once we've had a lot of rain. And yes, we've had a lot of rain recently, so we'll see you over there. I don't know whether you can hear me or not with this sound, this running water, but just over the wall there is Cray Gill. Let's turn you around. This is the little hamlet of Cray in the Yorkshire Dales. So yeah, plenty of water and plenty of good flow by the looks of it. Looking over the distance there, looks to be a few more falls, so we'll try and get them once we've done Cray Gill. Still making his way up there now. But yeah, looking quite impressive is this. Well, as you can see, we've made it up to Cray Gill Falls now, and looking at it, this is impressive. 4 tiers, all coming down. It's quite windy. So yeah, we'll get set up here, and what a wonderful place for a picnic as well. And it looks like we're the only ones here at the moment. So yeah, I'll get set up and we'll show you what we're on with. Well, I don't know if you can hear me or not, it's starting to blow a gale a bit, but got a composition lined up, just taking in this little fall here, leading you round to the edge of the frame and leading you up to the 4 tiers. I have got another one as well, more or less straight on of all 4 tiers. But yeah, this is something, is this, especially after all the water we've had. So I just hope this little Osmo can, this Osmo action can pick it up. But yeah, I'll just spin you around as well. And this place here is literally at the side of the road. My little car's just over the road over there. So yeah, straight down the, follow the wall round, and that's it, brings you to it. So yeah, I'll bob these up now for you. My daughter now to walk up to the middle, up there, just try and give it a bit of scale. But yeah, the sun's trying to come out as well, so I'll just take this one while she's looking. So yeah, probably make my way up there as well. I think there's another waterfall behind the back of it, but yeah, I'll make my way up to where my daughter is there, and we'll see what's what. Well, got us way up to the middle part now. It's like a little plateau just up here. So just taking in the top 2 falls. Got a competition where this here is running in, a little bit of a swirl going up. I'm just giving you the top 2 falls up there, but this is, yeah, for a waterfall, this is lovely as this. Like I said earlier, it only appears when there's been a lot of rain. and boy have we had some rain. But yeah, I'll pop this one up now for you. Now I'm still on the middle tier. Literally just turned around from where I took that last image and looking straight down there. Got swap lenses over. I've got the wide angle lens, the 10-24 on the Fuji. I'm just checking in this coming in. So yeah, I don't know whether this is going to be a nice black and white one or a moody colour or what, but we'll see what it's like when we get in. But yeah, but that's the view at the moment. Got a bit of light just hitting this rock now. So yeah, I'll bob them up for you now. As I've just been getting up from down there, I've spotted this rock and I'm taking an image now. I'm trying to get this rock up on the bottom left hand side and that tree on the top right. It is getting quite bright, so I'm struggling a bit to get it balanced, but with the waterfall in the middle, yeah, I think this makes quite a nice shot, to be honest. Just the top two tiers again. So we are going to make us way down over there. I think there was another little fall further down, so I'll pop this one up now for you and then I'll take you down there and see what else we can find. You did it, now I've got to do it. If you do like to pay a visit here, you can just park at the side of the road, but don't do what these have done. Just climb straight over at Farmer's Wall. So if you follow the path, it's like a little snicket coming down here. There, see it in the fence, just step over there and through the gate. No need to climb over the wall and knock it down. But yeah, so if you do visit here, just pay a bit of respect to the farmer. Just to the other side of the wall now. It's getting quite breezy, so something got me back to the wind. Looking down here, I just put a bit of B-roll on now. A couple of nice cascades with this tree. I don't know if you can see on there or not. See Cray Gill at the back of it. So yeah, looks like I've got a few compositions here, so I'm going to get down to the bottom of there and try and get this tree in as well. So I'll see you when I'm set up. Set with a composition now to show you. these little falls just here, leading you up. I've actually got the tree in as well. I don't know whether you can see on there or not. But yeah, making it quite nice is this. It is just waiting for the light to disappear a bit. It is blowing the sky out a touch. So just want that bit of a long exposure as well. But yeah, it's quite nice this place. There's been a lot of rain, so I've got a few nice cascades going on. But yeah, I'll pop this one up now for you. Right, I think we're going to try and get across to the other side now. So this looks like fun. And see what I can get looking down there. As you can see, my daughter there, it must be dinner time. So yeah, we'll have a bit of a bite to eat, and then I'll come back to you after a sarnies. Right, back to you after a little sandwich break. So yeah, start where we left off, just down here on this little ledge. Got this bottom fall now. Trying to get a bit of a swirl going, leading you up all the way up to that tree again. So I'll just, while there's a bit of light on down here, I'll take that one again now. So, but while we're having a sandwich, just up there, this little ledge looking over the valley, you have this little street leading all the way down there. So I'm going to get back on that ledge now. I'll take that one, I'll pop these both up for you. Just making his way up to this other little cascade now. Just spin you around so you can have a look. Just down here, as you can see to the right, that's Cray Gill. There's little cascades all over really. So yeah, a great day for it after the amount of rain we've had. I'm going to the top of these little cascades now. Probably can hear me now, it is blowing a gale. I'll try and shoot Mike as we can. So, come a bit higher up. From the bottom there was nothing at all, nothing leading it, but just have a look on there. The wind's blowing actually the water up. But yeah, we've come to the top. It's these little ones here. It actually leads you straight down into the valley. So yeah, just get a nice little shot of that. So, oh look at that. The wind is getting up, it's blowing it back over the top, so we are going to start making our way back to the car now. So I think that's it from me today. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, just like and subscribe, and thank you again for keep watching. That's another one from Ginger Captures, so thank you very much. I'll see you again next time.